Off the National Highway, in the heart of the National Capital Region, lies one of India's premier multimodal logistics solutions provider, Maple. Under the common umbrella of World's Window Group, which also has 3 ICDs and a freight forwarding company, Maple has an extensive network spanning across India. Maple's services can be used for both outbound and inbound consignment needs, be it container and full truckload transportation, multimodal logistics, warehousing, over-dimensional cargo, or project logistics management. One of the biggest players in delivery management with a fine grasp of the nitty-gritty of container and bulk transportation, Maple road transport expertise is unmatched. Maple is with you every step of the way, from port to port, dispatch to receipt. Maple's expertise in multimodal logistics is unparalleled. Maple has 6 dedicated rakes and 1,000 containers. In addition, it provides train services on 4 different routes, thereby linking your business to the arterial link lines of the country. The Maple leadership recognizes the value that domestic rail connected yards bring to customers in terms of cost and operational ease. Therefore developed domestic rail connected yards at Bilaspur, Boisar, Haridwar and many others are in the pipeline. All journeys have pauses to recoup and reposition, and if you need to park your consignment for a while, then Maple's warehousing and distribution facilities are the best in the business. Customers can use the secure and well-maintained warehousing options for a variety of goods, including consumables and precious gems. We are insured, have 24/7 security, and have state-of-the-art fireproof systems. Maple also has transportation of over-dimensional cargo in its service portfolio. Based on your needs, customized options can be identified and provided.
Whenever industry talks about logistics and its level of services, they will always refer to the parameters set by Maple. Maple is eyeing to be the benchmark in logistics.
Powering the scale and reach of the logistics chain are the dedicated and skilled task force at Maple. With its highly trained and motivated workforce, Maple is able to leverage its world-class infrastructure to provide the best solutions to suit the budgets and timelines of its vast array of customers.
Today Maple has presence all across India. We take special care for the protection of the cargo as well as driver and vehicle.
The 24/7 support of one of the largest maintenance yards in North India makes Maple a worthy ally for those on the road.
We are having a latest modern facility to carry out wheel alignment of trucks and trailers and fuel calibration and repair. All the technicians are well qualified and experienced.
A buzz with activity, Maple has its hand on the pulse of the trade. Recognizing the risks of long distance travel, Maple also provides the added advantage of telematics. This helps the company track each and every vehicle on a real-time basis, thereby ensuring security and effective tracking of consignments for its customers. With 500 of its own vehicles, an additional fleet of trusted associates, and more than 30 branch offices, Maple can reach out to each and every corner of India.
Maple is about strong leadership and its unmatchable customer service. Our growth has been at a very fast pace, and Maple has become more than 5 times in the last 2 years. For Maple, we have a vision to multiply it many folds so as to make it number 1 logistic company in the country.
Equipped with experience, powered by attention to detail, and proficient in knowledge of logistics solutions, the Maple family prides itself in being your family on the move.